Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga has blocked a controversial donation of brand new vehicles from businessman Kudata Gwirei to ZANU-PF Politburo members. The move follows the Politburo's rejection of Kudakwashe Tagwirei's co-option into the Central Committee and its dismissal of President Emerson Mnangagwa's 2030 succession agenda. Zanabeda mashoko ari kushamisa vanhu panguva ino nemapower plays ari kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF kuchonekwa kunzi generally vobloka kuda kwachitagwirei pamadonations ari kuonekwa kunzi ari kuuya panguva ino achikondemwa nevanhu vachinzi this is real vote buying. Not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivida munamobuda ngomchinzi. The dramatic sequence of events has left Mnangagwa politically exposed and internally isolated, with his own presidium openly defying him, and the ruling party's top executive arm, the Politburo, rejecting him in principle. Sources inside the heated Politburo meeting confirmed that only 2 out of 49 members, Justice Minister Ziyambi and Politburo stalwart Omega Wongwe, supported the move to parachute Tagwirei into the Central Committee. The rest, led by VP Nkosazana Chiwenga, Secretary for Administration Obed Mpofu, Christopher Muchango and Patrick Namasa voted for the proposal down. The rejection is widely seen as a fatal blow to Mnangagwa's efforts to entrench loyalists in key positions and engineer a path to a third term beyond 2028. Insiders say Deputy Minister Tinoma Chakaire, along with other emerging power brokers, worked through the night, lobbying Politburo members to reject the co-option. Meanwhile, Fidelity Printers chairman Goodhuma Simrembwa, who initially backed the idea, is rumored to have told Confidence he had been pressured into it by his political godfather, Obed Mpofu. This is not just political loss, it's a personal rejection. One observer noted, Mnangagwa's blueprint for 2030 hinged on Tagwirei's influence and resources. Now both have been publicly rejected by the very structures that are supposed to protect him, with the Politburo and the key members of the Presidium clearly breaking ranks. The path to a 2030 candidacy for Mnangagwa appears blocked, not by the opposition, but by his own party machinery. The message from ZANU-PF is now unmistakably clear. The era of Mnangagwa may be coming to an end. Developing story. Ndo mashoko for the meantime. Aiwa aripo panguva ino imboti za mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wapinda comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. Sana subscribe or like. Chidon on the bell icon.